Another day, another tutorial. Today we're tackling despill in DaVinci Fusion. Now, as I mentioned in my previous tutorial, the delta keyer does handle some despill automatically. But what if you want full control? That's what we're diving into today. First things first, we need to remove the despill from the delta keyer so we can do it ourselves. To do this, we'll use the copy node, which we set up in one of my earlier tutorials. A input alpha from the delta keyer. B input color from the plate. What we're doing here is taking the color from our plate, but keeping the alpha from the delta keyer. Now we need to pre-multiply it, which in Fusion is called alpha multiply. And boom, now we have our keyed image with no despill. One quick way to clean up spill is with the matte control node. Set color to green, since we're working with a green screen. Set spill suppression to 1. Choose a spill method. Try medium, well done, or whatever works best for your shot. If we compare the before and after, you'll see the spill is gone. But let's check out another, more flexible way to handle this. Let's say we want to change the color of the spill instead of just removing it. You can't really do that with the matte control method, so here's another approach. Grab a delta keyer. Set red to 0, green to 1, blue to 0. This isolates the green channel. Use a Channel Boolean node. Set operation to subtract. Now we're left with just the green spill. Use another Channel Boolean node. Set operation to add. This brings the spill back into our plate. Add a color corrector node. Set saturation to 0. This neutralizes the color. Add another color corrector node. Now you can tint the spill to any color you want. Now, important note, this spill setup shouldn't be in our main tree because it'll mess up our key. Instead, we branch it to the side and connect the B input of the copy node to our modified spill. This method not only gives you control over the spill color, but it also preserves the luminance of your original plate, which is something the matte control node can mess with. And that's it. Now you have full control over your despill. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more VFX content. Thanks so much for watching, and happy compositing.